guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a summer clothing haul. Well, at least most of these things are for summer, but you'll see. I basically just ordered a bunch of clothes and we're gonna unbox them. We're gonna do try on. We're gonna do the whole thing. We're doing the whole shebang. I have stuff from MDV, which you guys know is probably my favorite brand. I have stuff from Diva's boutique and from Shein. So pretty much everything in this video, with like the slight exception of MDV, is low end, very cost efficient. And actually the MDV pieces that I did get were all on sale. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, which if you don't, you definitely should, it's just the K Danger. I'll just pop it right here. I post every single day over there, lots of reels, lots of pictures, lots of stories. But I did post a bunch of the pictures of the pieces that I own from MDV with links to them being on sale. So definitely beneficial to follow me over there. But I did pick up some more pieces because I love their stuff. So if you guys want to see the pieces that I picked up, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you are not already subscribed, explain yourself. I am posting every single Wednesday and Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have to get used to saying that, but that is my schedule and I'm very excited about it. So if you guys like luxury, you like fashion, because today is definitely more of a fashion focused video, you like try-ons, you like hauls, you like jewelry, any of those things tickle your pickle, this is where you're gonna wanna be with your pickle. So definitely subscribe if you're not already, and without further ado, let's roll into the video. I feel like I said further weird there. I said further without further ado. So since I started talking about MDV, why don't we just start with that package? I don't really want to show any of my packages because obviously my address is like all over them. So the first piece that I picked up is this beautiful like blazer corset dress in black with like a white corset detail, and it's not a real corset, like it is sewn in there, but you do have this kind of corset lace detail type situation. I saw it on sale and I was like, you know what, why wouldn't I want this? It's just gonna look so flattering. I feel it in the air. Like, look at that. That's gonna look so good. You cannot tell me that that's not gonna look so good. So this is the back, just nice and plain. You'll probably see it much better in the mod shot. I got mine in a US size 6 and I'm super into it. This is exactly what it says. It's a black bodysuit, also not for the summer, but this is a long sleeve bodysuit that has leather bits to it. So right on your like chestal area up here, this is not leather. It just has like leather trims. This actual piece is not leather, but the rest is kind of sheer, and then you have like leather gloves, and this is vegan leather. Everything from MDV is vegan leather. It also has like this sheerness. I don't know if you guys can see like this sheer cutout situation. Hello, right here, and I just feel like this is gonna be so cute. I actually had like an outfit plan in my head. This with like a nice mini leather skirt. Girl, it's gonna be so cute. These jeans I am so excited about because first of all, I am so late to this trend. You're not gonna tell me that I'm not, but it has this like double, you know, the double button type situation that is like super popular right now. So it has that, and this would be my first time actually trying that out. So I am very excited about it. And it also has like, not buttons, what are these called? Snaps all throughout. So you can like snap it open a little bit at the bottom if you want like a little bit of a slit, or you can just leave it like this. It's still a cute detail. I feel like this with like a plain white crop top, or with my off-white crop top that I got. Stop. This is like the least summer piece that you'll ever see. This is probably like, it might as well just say winter, just like written on top of it. But it is this sweater. And what the hell is that? It looks very confusing, but I promise when it's on, it'll look better. I mean, at least I'm hoping when it's on it'll look better. So it does have a high neck, but you have the option to like zip it down, make it a little, ooh, like that, you know, but it goes a little bit lower. So, you know, depending on how you're feeling that day, you can go ahead and zip her down. I also love that it has this little cold shoulder situation, but it's not really a cold shoulder because it's much more open than that. It kind of shows this entire area. It has this crisscross detail. I don't think it's gonna come across on camera unless it's during the mod shots, but it does have this crisscross detail And I just feel like for the fall and for the winter, I'm gonna be obsessed with this. This is gonna be it. So I picture this with like slouchier jeans, kind of like the ones that I just got. This is like a polo dress in brown, okay? And it has that zip detail similar to the bodysuit, but it's not that high neck that the bodysuit has. You're probably like, this is the most boring thing I've ever seen in my life. Why are you so excited about it? I'm gonna tell you why. Cause it comes with this corset. So you're supposed to put it like right here and then have like those dangly bits falling down. How freaking cute is that? And especially with my beige clear classic flap, like stop it right now. I did get this one in a US 4, which I don't usually get dresses in a US 4 because I have a little booty. But they didn't have a 6, so I went with a 4, and I'm just gonna pray that it just works out for me. We're gonna see, fingers crossed, that my booty is covered in that dress. I mean, it looks like, you know, let me see if it has some stretch to it. Oh, it has lots of stretch to it. It has lots of stretch to it, so it should work out. So this is a one shoulder, right? You see that? Bodysuit with a bunch of cutouts. Okay, so right here, you have a nice little cutout, but it's not too much. It's not too much. But then you've got like this Swiss cheese looking arm, and I am so excited about it. And what I'm the most excited about, another thing that I really, really love, it has thumb holes. I don't know what it is, but I freaking love thumb holes. This actually does have a matching skirt that goes with it. Obviously it's sold separately, but I didn't pick that one up because I don't know, I didn't feel like I would want this with the skirt. I feel like that wasn't a look that I was going for. I think this next bag, hopefully you didn't see any information there, is from Shein. So the first thing that I got, you know what, I'm not gonna call this a summer haul anymore because I feel like only the stuff that I got from Diva's boutique is for the summer, because this is definitely not for the summer. So I got this black collared shirt, and it has lace and sheer, like not even lace, it has like florals. It has like a sheer cutout on the shoulder. I just feel like this would be so cute and classy with literally anything. And apparently it comes with this, which I don't know if this is supposed to like cinch in your waist. It's supposed to be kind of like a belt. I'm not 100% sure, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna have to check out the order and see how the model's wearing it because I don't really remember. But hopefully I'm doing it justice in the mod shots. So this is a like hunter green blazer dress. Look at this. This is so cute. And it's like this deep like hunter emerald green, and I freaking love it. I cannot wait to wear this. This one obviously does come with a belt. I feel like if your blazer dress doesn't come with a belt or like a corset type of situation, that's not gonna help me out. It's not gonna help me. I don't know what it's gonna do for your body, but my body is gonna look, oh my God, I'm not wearing my engagement ring. Very happy it comes with a belt. We're gonna cinch her right in. We're gonna look nice and cute, and I'm very excited to wear this. So I got this floral dress with like these cute little puffy sleeves. This looks like I'm ready for like a little tea party with the girls. I think this is gonna be so cute on and just like so adorable. These floral dresses have gotten me, okay? I am officially gotten, and I just can't stop, won't stop. Until the fall, of course, when I will promptly stop. I got this beautiful white dress, off the shoulders, but also long sleeve. This is obviously super duper wrinkled, but I just pulled it out of a bag, okay? So give her some slack. This area is very, very stretchy, which I don't know, I like it, but I'm also nervous because I feel like there are times when this off the shoulder situation can easily become an on the shoulder situation, you know, like it'll just like come right back up, and that's really annoying. So hopefully when I try it on, when I do the mod shots, it looks good and it doesn't, you know, do one of those. This is one that I am super duper excited about. Look at the cut on that. That's one of the things that really got me. She really got me. Like, look at that cut. I feel like that's gonna be so flattering. Just like coming, stop. I think the dress I'm wearing right now is kind of that same situation too. So that is very, very exciting. Definitely flattering. If you're one of those people who's like, oh, I could never, like, no, but you could though. Another floral dress. It is also white, but it's got all the flowers and butterflies at the bottom here. I feel like this is gonna be so freaking cute. Now this kind of scares me. I mean, anything that is sleeveless kind of scares me because, as you may or may not know, the boob situation, there is none, okay? So I get kind of nervous that this is just gonna kind of flop off. So we'll see how this goes. So this is kind of like a collared shirt dress in like this beautiful royal blue color. Stop it, look at this color. Look at this color. This color is beautiful. But what's special about it is, I don't know if you can see, the waist is hella cinched, okay? Because it has like a little corset on the back. Obviously I have like an MO here, you know, I have a type. I like the waist to be nice and cinched. I'll take a corset, I'll take a belt, I'll take what I can get. Also very wrinkled at the moment. Even on the front, because it kind of looks a little ruched, it's not like too bad, but in the back you could definitely tell it's definitely wrinkled. The next piece that I picked up is actually from the Evettexo collection. That was kind of what prompted me to start, you know, looking on Shein, seeing what they had. And so I looked through the pieces, and honestly, I liked the collection. I definitely don't have anything against the collection, but this is kind of the piece that spoke to me the most. It is this beautiful, also again floral. This is definitely summer vibes. This has that beautiful like V cut that is just gonna be so flattering. This might be a little short, and it looked like it was gonna be short. It's not like I didn't know it was gonna be short, but it's all right. I don't care. This is gonna be the cutest thing, and your booty is gonna look so cute in this, no matter what your booty looks like normally, which I'm sure you have a real nice, cute booty, but that dress is gonna help your booty no matter what. So I got some like bright orange creamsicle thing. Don't really remember what it is, which is, you know, the sign of a true problem. It is a one shoulder top. It is ribbed on the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. And it kind of has this, you know, super cute detail up top. This just looks like something that's gonna be super easy. This is perfect for the summer, okay? This is actually perfect for the summer. I feel like this with like a pair of shorts, just throw on like some orans and like you're good. It's a situation. It seemed like just like an easy, throw it on and go live your best summer life. Go to Ralph's. And that's it. And for our last bag, we got some stuff from Diva's Boutique. The first piece that I got is a romper. I don't really own, hello, can you open? I don't really own a lot of rompers. And that's for no reason other than I don't like a lot of rompers. This I liked. It gives me like, I'm on a boat going, no, I'm on a yacht. I'm on a yacht going to like a bachelorette party for my friend in like Italy. That's what I'm gathering from this. So it is white with green, and it has this like floral, not even floral, like, I don't know what you would even call this. I don't know the English language. So it has these cutouts, but like not really cutouts. And I feel like that is gonna be super cute. At the bottom, you also have that little like detailing, you know, that little coaster detailing. Not coaster, what are those things called? Doilies. Is it doilies? Is that right? The next piece we got is denim, which is not surprising to me because I love denim. I absolutely love denim. I don't think I even realized that this was denim when I bought it. I thought it was just blue, but I'm not mad about it. This is like a maxi dress, super summer appropriate, okay? This is like, I don't really know what to wear today, so let me just throw this on, which is like the vibe, okay? I would wear this like every freaking day in the summer. The next piece that I got, is this a dress? This is a jumpsuit. It's a jumpsuit. It is white and blue, obviously. It is striped. It is belted. You know, we got a cinch her in real good. And it is, oh, it has pockets on the back. It has butt pockets. That's always really exciting. This with like a nice little hat, like stop, that would be the cutest thing I've ever seen. So I'm really excited to wear this. Ugh, I have no more space on my bed. This is a skirt set. So this is the shirt for the skirt set. It looks like not interesting, right? You're just like, what is that? It's a white button down shirt, and it's like a little sheer. It has, you know, all this like, I don't even know, are these like flowers? I think they're supposed to be flowers. They're not like accurate flowers, but I think it's supposed to be flowers. So they've got some flowers on it, and then the skirt, right? You tuck the shirt in. At least that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tuck the shirt in, and you throw the skirt on, and it looks kind of just like a beautiful little floral dress. I just thought this was gonna be so cute. Kind of similar to like the vibe that I'm getting from this dress, but like in a skirt set. So, and the best thing is obviously it's a skirt set, so you can separate the pieces. You can throw like a bodysuit on and put this skirt on, or you can throw on this shirt and throw some jeans on. Now this, okay, high key. This is the thing I was the most excited about, and I am saying high key and I mean it. So this is a short set, very similar to the skirt set that we just saw. So these are the shorts. How freaking gorgeous is this? This is giving me honestly like Zimmerman vibes. Tell me not. This is the top, and like, are you kidding? This with my little purple heart bag. Stop. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I just feel like this piece is gorgeous, and for the price that you pay, worth it. Like, worth every penny. This is beautiful, and I cannot wait. This is just like, this is me on vacation, never coming back, sipping drinks, you know? Like, I feel it. It also comes with a belt. I don't know if you guys saw the belt loops on there, but you know, we need a cinch her in. So the last piece that we got, I believe, is a short set again. It is a one shoulder top, okay, with this, like, I don't even know, this looks like a paintbrush, just like went like this all over the shirt, okay, and it's in like yellow and blue and orange and obviously like that cream color, and I cannot, you guys, this is a beautiful piece. It's not my favorite because definitely that piece that I just showed you is probably my favorite from like the entire haul, but definitely like a close second. Look at this. I just feel like this pattern is so cute, and again, we'll go with everything. I really wish I had a yellow or an orange bag at this moment, but that's okay, guys. I'll get over it. I'll get over it. I'll get over it, okay? So that is it for my haul, and I'm saying that's it like that was so short. Oh my God, that was like 3.5 hours long, but that's it. That's all the pieces that I picked up. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know which piece is your favorite. Which one are you the most excited for me to start styling? I don't know if I can pick a favorite, but I'm gonna. It's the short set with the little like, with the purple on it. Oh my God, I love that short set so much. So that's definitely my favorite piece, but there are so many good pieces. Oh, and the dress, the polo dress from MDV. I really, really love that one too. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Look, we don't even look related, Leo. This is my child. We don't even look related. Do you want to come shopping with me again like we did that one time?
Yes.
Is that a good idea?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Target?
Target.